My people were playing Crazy Chickens, and we just got a bonus with the crazy chicken. All right, let's go. Penny Vietnam, 75 cents. Yes, sir. We see you. All right, keep them coming. Pop them. Oh, instant win. We'll take $2. Thank you. All right, another 2. Nice. We like those. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Uh-oh. Anything, pop it. Go. Darn you. All right, still got $13.50 on that. Oh my gosh, where was my first line? Oh, come on, pop, $10. Let's go. Crazy chicken, just looking around like a crazy chicken. Come on, baby. There's the cows. Oh. Look at that, $7.50 egg. $15 egg. Where were my cows at? There's the cows. $1.35. Come on, give me a big egg and pop. Big popper. Nope. Piggy? Oh, piggy. Come on now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry about that. I thought I turned my camera off. I didn't. Come on now. Come on. Double pop, my people. Oh my goodness, we got it. All right. Let's get something here. Come on. Come on now. Oh, you son of a gun. Let's get something. Come on. Nice. Look at that, 750. Now we need a instant win up here. Oh, 2 times? Oh, that was nice. Do it again. Come on, give me that 2 times right here in the middle. All right, I got my eyes on you. Oh, we'll take the instant win. That's $10. Thank you, instant win. Do it again. Oh, that was my last spin? Well, that was pretty good, my people. $32.50 on that. All right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. $32.50, a couple backups. One more. Oh, we gotta go one more because we got the piggies. Chicken coops. Come on, baby. Last one. And one more just in case. All right, my people. Let's try a different game, different machine. I'll be back. Here we go. Come on, lucky envelope, do something. Two wild is good. You got the 2 wild in the front. Free games, you need 3 of them. Almost. Come on, do something. There you go. There you go. There you go, one more. All right, $3.75, we'll take it. There we go, do it again. Oh my gosh. Darn it. Piggies? Darn piggies. Wow. 3 free games is a bonus, come on. Keeps giving me 2. Oh, that would have been nice. Damn snakes. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, we got it, my people, on my last spin. Can you believe that? Now I gotta pick something good. Here we go. Major is beautiful. Mini's terrible. Grand's amazing. Miner's okay. Miner's great. One more for the Miner. Oh, two more for the Grand. One more. Wait, how many? Oh, we need three for the Grand. Okay. No, darn Mini, get out of there. Darn it, we got the Mini, guys. Oh my goodness. 11:28. One backup and I'm out of here. All right, I'll be back. No, I won't be back. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you all. We'll see you on the next video.